Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Friday, February 7th, 2020. And it's a gloomy, rainy day here in Massachusetts. Looks like we had a mix. We had some initial snow, about an inch, and then it followed by rain, so it washed it away, and then had a little bit of a lull, and then it started raining again. So this sort of the patchy new stuff, and then the old stuff is just about gone. I think that's all there is. So pretty gloomy. I noticed a lot of people getting solar panels. Must be still having like a tax incentive, but you're not getting much power from solar panels when you have days like this, one after another, here in New England in the wintertime. But it's green inside. Let's go take a look at the progress of the fig cuttings. So here's the setup again, the bins. And if you recall, I think it's been 2 weeks now. I put these cuttings up front here, 4 cuttings in cups. They had started showing roots, some more than others, in the bins and the moss, and then I just put them straight into this soil here. And it's mostly bark mix with perlite and some garden soil. And then I have these other cuttings that I up-potted before that. They're making some good progress, so you can see all the green new growth on the cuttings. But let's go take a look at the root progress. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, so some nice roots there. And get that glare off of the cup so you can see the roots. It's a nice strong root there. So yeah, making some progress. Let's go take a look at the other ones. There's a nice thick cutting here. Ooh, got some large roots on that. So making some good progress. And this one here is a terminal bud that opened up. And I haven't watered these. I've just been spraying. It's so humid in the container with the heat mat underneath that, and you know, the amount of soil that I have in this mix here, that'll stay until there's a connection between the roots, a good strong connection between the roots and the growth here. It's not going to use a lot of water. So let's see, turn this around a little bit. There's a nice long root right there. And there's another thick cutting with a lot of growth. I know they say the ideal cutting is like pencil size diameter, but I mean that's a good, more than maybe a ½ inch diameter cutting. It's not terminal either. You can see here there's a bud opening up on the side there, even though it's chopped off at the top. And it's putting on some nice new growth. I get that glare off. There we go. Nice thick roots on this. Yeah, so they're making progress. I have other cuttings that 2 weeks ago I had in the fridge. I put them in the moss. So it'll be maybe a month and a half before those will start showing roots, and I'll have to get another bin to get those into cups. But for now, these are the cuttings that I have this season. I'll put these back in the bin here. And I've been spraying these with sort of a diluted Miracle Grow solution. Just missed them. I'll get this one back in. Alright, so this is New England Gardening, and today is Friday, February 7th, 2020. And this is the progress of the fig cuttings that I have started so far this year. Thanks for watching. Oh, real quick, it was like dead calm 15 minutes ago, and then all of a sudden this gust picked up. Big gust. And switched over. Must be on another side of the low or something. That's odd. Complete calm to windy.